Hi guys, today we'll be reading The Case of the Missing Smile. Now this looks like a very interesting case, Detective Peterson said aloud, as she reviewed the huge stack of reports on her desk. I think I will handle this one myself. After several minutes of searching through the official Tooth Fairy records, she found that she was looking for a folder with name Sophia Sue Simmons. Detective Peterson mumbled as she studied the file. As Detective Peterson read the report, she noted that Sophia Sue always smiled. From the time she got out of bed to the time she went back to bed, she smiled. In fact, Sophia Sue never seemed to stop smiling. Then, 2 days ago, Sophia Sue stopped smiling. Why? Detective Peterson wondered. I must find out why and get Sophia Sue's smile back, she said to herself. She searched through the file but couldn't find anything that could help to cause Sophia's smile to stop all of a sudden. Was she happy at home? The smilometer indicated yes. Was she happy at school? The smilometer indicated yes. Was she happy with her friends? The smilometer indicated yes. Everything that Detective Peterson found indicated that Sophia Sue was happy and that she should be smiling. The detective checked with the dentist and everything was fine. The detective checked with the Tooth Fairy Central. All of Sophia Sue's baby teeth had fallen out, been collected as scheduled and replaced with new extremely pretty permanent teeth. Detective Pearson checked everything, but she couldn't find anything that could cause Sophia Sue to stop smiling. There was only one choice left. Detective Peterson had to visit Sophia Sue and see what she could do. That night, Detective Peterson flew down and visited Sophia Sue. Making sure that she didn't wake Sophia Sue, she sprinkled magical Tooth Fairy sand into the air. Sophia Sue, Detective Peterson whispered, what happened to your beautiful smile? You look so sad. I lost all my bad teeth, she whispered. Now the Tooth Fairy doesn't have any reason to visit me. Oh, I understand, Detective Peterson whispered between smiling teeth. The Tooth Fairy will always be in your heart, so you can wipe that silly frown off your pretty face. As Detective Peterson flew away from Sophia Sue's bedside, she saw the smile return, bigger and brighter than ever before.